Diamonds on my neck, got diamonds on my records. Since 16, I was coming down with Alexis. How you gon'
What's up, my babies? It's your girl MalijahSerenity, and I am back with another video. I'm just giving y'all a little show, so just enjoy it while you can, honey. Yeah, I literally had just gotten up out the bed right before I did my facial routine. I wanted to go ahead and shave my face, dermablading, whatever you want to call it. I wanted to go ahead and do it before I did my facial routine, just so I can make sure that I got the proper moisture to my face that I needed after shaving it. So I'm just taking some oils that my mama made that we always use to clean our face. You can make your own different type of oils: castor oil, olive oil, coconut, avocado, different types of oils that you can use. And I'm just applying that to my face. And as you seen when I was applying it, I did not rub it in. I just like dabbed it on my face. But yeah, I'm just literally going in. The first place I'm doing is my mustache, because this is where mostly my hair grows, in that area. And it's been about a month since I did it, so it was definitely time to do it. But yeah, I'm literally just going in and shaving my face. I'm being very careful with my upper lip area, just so I don't cut myself, because last time I did, you can still kind of see I didn't cut myself, but a bump had popped up on my face because I was rushing last time I did it, and I didn't take the proper steps that I needed to. So make sure that y'all take the proper steps. So using oil to shave your face is a definite must, because for one, it's making sure like you still have moisture and stuff still in your skin, and you're not using, you're not doing it on a dry face. So definitely make sure that you use some type of oil on your face. Dermablading, hopefully I'm saying it right, honey. But overall, it helps with your skin being smooth. It gives your face like a glow to it. You know how when you shave your skin, not shave your skin, but shave like your legs and stuff, how it just leaves that glow? It's so smooth and soft. That's literally what it does to your face. So imagine when you apply your makeup, how smooth it would be when you put on your makeup. And overall, it's just like a great look. Who doesn't want a bald face? I mean, I grow a lot of hair on the sides as well, as you see. So I'm just going in and taking that off. And y'all will see me using like that white little pad. I'm using that to just take the hair off, as y'all see. And I'm just kind of showing y'all so I can see how much hair is coming off of my face. But yeah, honey, enough with me talking. Sit back, enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Send this video to anybody that can use it and that it will be helpful for. And yeah, I'll be back on in a minute. I'm also going to go in on my eyebrows and just kind of like shape them up a little. I really don't get my eyebrows done like that, honestly. I just go in and shape them up just a little, just because I don't know why, but my eyebrows don't really grow how I want them to. And as y'all see, I tried to get micro shading before. It did not work. Well, I'm not gonna say it didn't work, but I don't like pain, and the pain was 1,000. So I was supposed to go back for a second session, and I never went back, honey. So like the parts that she needed to fill in that she couldn't because I was in so much pain, they never got filled in. So that's why I kind of see the gaps at the start of my eyebrows. But yeah. Okay, so I'm all done with my face, honey, and this is all the hair that came off of my face. So yeah, pretty disgusting, but yeah, honey, it's off now. Now I'm going to go in and do my morning routine. I'm just showing y'all, you know, a little bit, just simply because the morning routine I do is my mama's morning routine, you know, that she taught us and all of that. First, let me tell y'all, I'm going in and clean out the sink. Make sure that y'all always go and clean out the sink before y'all wash your face. I don't care if y'all didn't use y'all sink in a week, or if y'all didn't use it all day. Make sure y'all always go in and clean out the sink, just because you're gonna be sitting your rag and stuff in the sink and you don't want any germs or anything. And I'm going in and cleaning out my rag, all of that good stuff. Y'all see what's going on in the video. But yeah, like I was saying, it's my mom's morning routine, and she's like, you know, going to start selling products and all of that type of stuff. So she don't really want me to put it out just yet until she get everything together. So, you know, I'm just being patient, waiting on her, and all of that good stuff. And then we'll, you know, come out with the routine. But as y'all see in my vlogs and like all my other videos, it works miracles. Like, y'all seen how my skin peeled and all of that good stuff. So definitely works wonders. But yeah, I'm just going in and you know, doing my morning routine, making sure I got plenty of moisture and all of that good stuff up in my face. I'm gonna also go back, I'm finna go do that now, matter of fact, and I'm gonna moisturize my face again today, just because I know that I did the micro shading today, and I just want to make sure that my face is getting all the moisture it needs, because my face is very, very sensitive, and a bump will pop up in a quick minute. I also wash my rag after every time I use it. I go in and clean my rag as well, just to make sure all of the product that I used before is out of the rag. You just want to be very clean and sanitary when you are dealing with your face. So yeah. Before I go in and moisturize my face, I'm going to first brush my teeth, just because I didn't want my face getting wet after I moisturized it. So yeah, that's the little clip that's right here, honey. And then I'm going and moisturize my face, and we're going to be finishing up. If y'all have been watching me for some time now and follow me on my social medias, then y'all know I swear by these Aveeno products. They are the truth. I love them. Works wonders. Please invest in them. Especially the first one, because that has sunscreen and all that in there. The second one is like a oatmeal one, which is very good for your skin as well. So I definitely highly recommend. So I'm just finishing off with a setting spray to set everything in. And yes, that's pretty much the end of the video. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. Please go home and try it. Send me pictures on my Instagram. Let me know how it turned out. And yes, honey, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all. Thank y'all for the support. Make sure y'all watch all them ads throughout, honey, so our page can, you know, get seen, could get noticed. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I love y'all and talk to y'all later. Mwah.